Hi, my name's Anthony. I've been building Euro-style cabinets for the last 40 years. In that time, various jigs and templates have come on the market to help with the installation of European hardware. However, there's been a missing. The challenge here is, how do I transfer, if I already have all my holes drilled, the center line between two of those onto the door so I know where to locate my hinge cup? Well, let me introduce you to Anthony's Hinge Jig. Two 5mm pins on the back, cursor on the front, and a handle. I place those two pins in a pair of holes opposite where my intended hinge will be, and with a pencil I simply draw a line, and now I have a very useful piece of information. I know the center of my hole. Another very handy function of this jig is in a situation where you don't already have the 5mm holes, but you want to use a European hinge. We simply take the jig, engage the pins on the front edge of the cabinet using a 5mm drill bit and the drill guides. We drill the two 5mm holes. Now we have our two holes 32mm apart. We take the jig, insert the two 5mm pins into the holes just drilled, and now we're able to transfer the center line of those two holes onto our door.